So I'll show you how it looks. So we've got some nice artwork here, and we've got a very unique type of moon seat, place and utensils to use for drinking and braaiing, barbecuing. If you're in America, we made some fire yesterday, just for a bit of atmosphere. It's the greenhouse. There's nice lights in there and everything like that. We'll show that to you later. This is an outside bed. So there's like this nice big blanket and cushion provided as well. It's just raining this morning. And here's the main attraction. So this is the house. There's a story behind every little piece of how it was designed. I'm just going to show you the front. You should ask the host about the story of everything, even the shoes and the comments. Okay, so let's head inside. There's about 6 steps. Nothing serious, and on welcome mat. Okay, so inside we do have a bathroom that is way too small. It's difficult to even, take a shit here. And then this even falls down a lot of the time. The shower is okay, but the water pressure isn't great at all. We've got a little fridge and freezer combo, microwave, some glasses, ice bucket, utensils, zinc, coffee, tea, and sugar, and then obviously kettle. Pots and pans, gas up stove, and then the double bed. Beautiful lights. There are no curtains. There are curtains, but there's no curtains in this circle or here or there. So you're gonna get light very early on in the morning. There's almost no space between the bed to walk. There's a very nice huge cushion, which I like. But it's a difficult bed, and it's a bit slopey. You can't really see it from the video, but it's a bit skewed. So the one side feels if it's a bit sliding down. It doesn't. Nobody got hurt or anything. It's not a good night's sleep for us. There's the map. Very nice map to show you the emergency exit points, everything like that. And then, yeah, that's it. If you walk out, it's a very small place, but it is very nice. And the host makes an incredible meal, and they are welcoming. Our gas didn't work when we wanted to shower, but they did fix that quickly. A lot of wood and firelighters are provided as well.